This holiday season, turn your Shopify store into a complete gifting destination with Giftship. Start by letting customers add personal gift messages, printed with Giftship's order printer or delivered digitally by email, SMS, or video. Then grow every order with product upsells and bundles, from greeting cards to complimentary gifts. Or guide customers through a streamlined, all-in-one gift box experience. Choose products, add a gift message, and head straight to checkout. Either way, move customers to checkout faster with Giftship's fully customizable drawer cart. Next, let customers send gifts to friends and family in one checkout by assigning each product to an address or uploading a spreadsheet in minutes. And for last-minute corporate gifting, create a multi-address order from the dashboard with a spreadsheet. Each row becomes a separate order, all combined into one invoice. Install Giftship today and try it free for 7 days. One app, one subscription, everything your Shopify store needs for gifting.